We are here to pick up the motor. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to see it. He said that crate, when we lift that up, it's just gonna be sheer beauty. Let's do this.
All right, we've been waiting for this for a while now. Steve? All right, let's do it. Ready?
Spaghetti! It's a Mia, a Tommy!
That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, what a gigantic piece of shit.
Today we are at Cannibal Garage. We are doing a GTR update. The motor is here. It's exciting. Motor, I don't even know her. And the back epoxy for the, well, it's not epoxy. The back window, it's Acrylic glass, right? It's not even glass, basically. We are waiting on epoxy. That's the moral of the story. And we got the back window off the Senna. This is pretty neat.
That's neat, indeed.
What if it started raining?
How long have we been waiting for this epoxy?
The epoxy came from the UK. So it had to get shipped to Boston, I believe. And then from Boston to here, it should be arriving today. Senna should be ready tomorrow. Steve noted earlier today that the car has been at various different shops probably longer than it has been in your garage the past 12 months. Would you agree?
Yes, definitely in the shop more than my garage, unfortunately.
And do you think tuning a hypercar would have anything to do with why that might be?
No.
The motor made it here.
Yes.
In one piece?
I haven't checked it yet.
Okay.
I broke the seal in the box, got it ready, but I haven't lifted it up, so I don't even know what it looks
Very
like.
fun. This is Steve's second motor in a week.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, that's right, it is.
Oh.
Yes.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell
Yeah.
That's the other motor.
The Resvani got a boo-boo. It's 1,600 miles and the motor's gone. This could happen a second time if we don't break in the GTR properly. So.
Oh shit. You guys are breaking that in. They're breaking it in.
I'm borrowing it for a month straight.
Well,
Actually, no,
So she put 400 miles in the R8 in 2 days. How many miles would she put on the GTR in a month?
1,000.
More than that.
That's all she gets.
A week,
Yeah.
maybe.
What's
Driving's
that
hard.
shoe do you wear, for real?
Driving's hard.
These are 7.5.
Those things
Oh,
are
they are.
tiny.
Why?
That's why I don't tie my shoes.
Got her.
I tie them?
This is the reason that the Senna is here. Boom. It was literally just that loose. I think you realized it when we were driving, right? That thing could have flown off.
You can see it in the rearview mirror that there was this whatever this was flapping. The adhesive obviously came off the shell. I just got here today. Hopefully they'll reapply it sometime this afternoon. And depending on how long it takes to adhere, we can grab it tomorrow.
There are like 1,000 fingerprints on this thing. Very nice. Oh, there's the adhesive, man. I don't know.
Gonna fix the screen.
Nice. That just looks
Screen
like
fix.
standard caulk.
90.
90?
SPF 90.
That's a small cock.
Yeah. I mean, is it really though?
I mean, for me it would be, yeah.
This is all installed, waiting for the engine to go back in, the rest of the intercooler piping.
So Ivan, who lifted this intercooler and put it up here?
It was entirely you.
Basically, I installed the whole front end. Yes. That's what I'm trying to say.
Steve, you see that?
That is an
See how
empty.
there's no motor in there?
That is an
That's
empty
what it's gonna look
engine
like
bay.
after you blow it the first time you ever drive it.
Yes. Yep. Good. Yeah, Talia.
That there's a block of metal.
That looks about a third the size of the Dodge Crate, the Hellcat
Yeah.
motor we
That
just
looks
got.
like plastic to me.
Yeah, it does.
Rip it off.
Alright, I failed. Hold on.
That looks sick.
That is very pretty.
That's
Who chose
crazy.
this? This man, right here.
I approved it.
No,
Suggested it.
This is sick.
I really like it.
and all the piping inside.
Talia is familiar with piping inside. The roll cage.
So you got to bolt this engine, and what else needs to be done besides throwing in the motor? Obviously a tune.
I mean, the first thing we got to do is dress the motor. So
Okay,
all
yes.
of the components
Pulleys,
have got to go back
components.
on it, turbo kit, all that.
Of course.
Then it gets loaded on the subframe, and then the subframe gets put back in the car.
Yep.
Fuel system still needs to be done.
Okay.
This is a 2021, so we have some tuning issues unless we change stuff. So we've got the Motec M1 special adapter harness that we've got to wire into place. This is as bad as you can possibly get with a factory block. Tony at T1, the guys over there just do an amazing job with this factory block stuff. So it's got reinforcements, it's got special head studs, special main girdle, special rods, pistons, proprietary head gasket sealing. There's a lot that's been done to get this factory block to be able to withstand 2,000 wheel horsepower. So it's got everything, and it's basically all done.
We had a small budget of slightly over $200,000, and the billet block was another like 50 grand. So I'm like, nah. However, I am getting a little more excited about this, like with how he just explained it and how much we built it up. Maybe this thing will really be bad.
Maybe you'll actually like it, because you hate the GTR now.
I'll drift my kids to school.
Is gonna make your Bugatti feel slow. Are you ready for that?
I don't think it will.
How much you want to bet?
It's gonna have to have tires to do
I'll
that.
bet your entire year's salary, $12,000.
$10. Ivan,
funny.
have you driven 2,000 horsepower GTRs before?
Yes.
Would you recommend doing cool wheels or wheels that put power down on a drag car?
Can't you do the both?
Oh, burn.
Personally,
shit.
I like the look of a
Burn.
meaty sidewall. It doesn't have to be all wheel. I like a meaty sidewall and lots of width and
Can you still do a meaty sidewall with the T37?
sure.
Oh!
Is that you can?
Sure can.
So he says
Did you order some of those
combination
already?
of form
Do
and
an
function.
18.
No. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. Do you guys have any recommendations on what wheels we should do? Because Tommy is clearly against the T37.
So the only thing that I want out of this car is to put power down. That's the purpose of this
You know
car.
what a T37 is? It's like a super durable, lightweight wheel.
Let's do it. I love it. I just don't know how to get them. I like T37s.
I don't think you do.
I just- but if you want-
I will find them for you.
I've been taking your job over YouTube for like 6 months, man. give me a hand on this.
Bro, hey, bro, let's step out. Let's step out,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
Let's go, bro.
Sorry to interrupt your video. Please go buy some merch. It's not for me, it's for you. They're amazing. The shirts, I love them. Steve?
All profits to charity, people. Thank you. Back to the video. All right, so what turbo kit are we putting on the car?
So this is getting a Boost Logic turbo kit.
We'll have different map switching for different tunes that we can run, right?
Yep, definitely.
And then what about
A giant flame tune.
rolling, huh?
A giant flame
tune. And then we'll be able to, what is it called? The anti-lag, the rolling
Rolling
anti-lag?
lag, yeah, that's
Building some boost.
The GTRs are pretty famous for that. They used to lift the wheels off the ground at 60 miles an hour.
That would be, oh.
GTRs are surprisingly stable, even at 2,000 horsepower on the street. It feels like it's burning out, but
Yeah.
it's controlled. You know, you're just kind of
Alright.
like skating a little bit.
All right.
You got to feed into it. I mean, it doesn't get buck wild like a McLaren will, you
Yeah.
know, where it just snaps and you're like, what the hell just happened?
My excitement level from the GTR went from like a 5% to like a 10%. These guys are way more pumped
Let's
about it
go.
than I am. Legit,
Let's
legit,
go,
like,
bro.
Legit.
I think once you start driving it, you'll like it a lot.
No.
yes.
I promise.
A question. What?
How much you want to bet? $100. There we
All
go. I said it
what's-
like
Easy
after we
$100.
What's the fastest car you've ever driven? Like horsepower
Bugatti
wise.
and the 918
So this is gonna be the fastest.
and the Plaid. I mean, yeah, but like it also doesn't feel well on the inside. It's very cramped and like
Plasticky.
plasticky,
I agree with that.
and it didn't handle very well.
Are you saying we should get rid of some of the plastic and replace it with carbon?
Weight reduction?
Maybe. Hey, how many more weeks until it's done?
This weekend, right?
Imagine.
What do you think?
I don't know. We've got a lot of work to do, so we're gonna bang on it as hard as we can and try and get it to
He
you as
bangs
quick
on me whenever he has a lot of work to do.
It's in like 7 weeks. Yes, you're right. I do.
What
7
kind of
weeks
track
is.
day?
What's that?
What kind of track day?
Where we're racing all of my cars at once, all of them.
Circle track Autobahn.
Yeah. Oh yeah, my bad.
Autobahn.
Yes.
Of course, yeah.
When do you think? Do you
Not
think
really
it'll be
an
done by then?
Autobahn car.
Neither is his Resvani.
This is my '83 Cadillac Fleetwood limo.
All right, how many weeks do I have?
How many weeks till the track day?
7, I believe.
And then you think so?
So I heard 6 weeks.
We'll give it a
6
try.
weeks? Cool. Sounds
No,
good.
no. Try means that there's room for failure.
There is no try, there is only do.
Yes.
All right, cool. We got it on camera. I'm just saying, he's like,
100% guaranteed.
Or your money back. A $200,000 bill.
can you imagine? You guys will do it. You guys got this. We've got faith in you.
If anyone can do it, Ivan can do it. Give it up
That's
for
right.
Ivan. Let's go, Ivan!
Where is he?
So this is the trans for the GTR. I know in a prior vlog we had shown this, but it's pretty exciting seeing that all the parts are finally here. We can get this thing on the road in hopefully a month and a half. We'll see. I know it's gonna be a lot of work. Are you pumped?
Yes.
At least you're honest.
Yes.
At least he's honest.
I hope we can genuinely make him like this car.
Full disclosure, I am very non-hyped for this car in general. However, I wanted to get into some JDM stuff. Ultimately, there are some awesome 90s vehicles, and Nissan has a great history with R34, R32.
Not the 33 though.
R30,
The 33 kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie.
It does. R35 I'm less excited about, but you know what? I think that once we get this thing shooting some flames and going really fast, then and only then will I be hyped.
It's almost like you didn't want this car and you bought it solely because of a TikTok comment.
Yes, it was. That's exactly why we bought it.
Isn't that strange how that happens?
Yes.
If you guys want to see a car, comment down below and see if we'll buy it to please you.
It's your fault. It's your fault. If you think this was fun, stay tuned for lots more GTR updates. The rest are going to be super fun because we're going to be starting this thing up, driving it fast, shooting flames, you name it. Comment below. Actually, let us know what you'd like to see. If you want any mods you want to see before we wrap this up, let us know. We read the comments and we do lots of changes with this stuff. Thank you.
TE37's various wide body kit,
APR wing,
APR wing,
Sparko seats.
and some goodies. Some really good goodies.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Okay, I see you next time.
Steve, put your cock away.
I'm stuck with the cock. Oh, my bad.
Put your cock. There you go. Put your cock back in your pants.
I don't know if I'm gonna want to touch that after.
Don't tell nobody.